where Jesus was born in Bethlehem during the reign of King Herod, wise men came from the east to Jerusalem and asked, "Where is the one who has been born King of the Jews? For we have seen his star, and we have come to worship him." When King Herod heard this, he was greatly disturbed, and all of Jerusalem with him. He called together his chief priests and elders to ask where the Messiah was to be born. "In Bethlehem of Judea, for this is what the prophets have written." Then Herod sent the wise men to search for the child.
The prophet spoke of a royal birth. A holy child that will rule the earth. Does he think he would wear the crown? Does he think the people will all bow down? In my kingdom, one king is found.
King Jesus is his name.
A star would lead them to find their king. Their gifts of worship and praise they bring.
Jesus is his name.
Foolish men, won't they ever see I am Herod, king born of royalty? Who's more worthy to reign than me?
Jesus is his name.
Why does a tiny baby threaten me this way? Is there a chance that this little child could wear my crown someday? A king is born of nobility,
King Jesus is his name.
accepting his royal destiny.
King Jesus is his name.
This is not for a common man. Does he think the people will understand? Is this part of a master plan?
Jesus is his name. King Jesus.
I'll send my soldiers to end this threat.
King Jesus is his name.
In an act of vengeance they won't forget.
King Jesus is his name.
If it's true what the prophet said, there's a heavy price weighed on his head. I won't stop till I know he's dead.
Jesus is his name.
I want